What's going on, YouTube? Hope City RC here. Back out with the TRX6. We are up in the mountains at our property in Cloudcroft, New Mexico. Woke up this morning, the girls are freezing because it's too cold for them. So, thought I'd come out and drive my truck around a little bit, see what happens on some mountainous terrain. I got no idea what to expect, but with a top-heavy rig, let's have at it. We'll walk around the camp a little bit and see what she'll do. We've had this place for about 15, 20 some odd years. So it's taken a long time to get it where we got it, but we're about to the point where we can call it home. Try going down some stairs here. This is the first level down. Watch out, dog. To our little upper valley area. Seems to be going off those stairs relatively easy. Just scraping that back bumper a little, but it always does. Nice, not bad. Alright, well. Down here by the old fire pit. And then we got us a building here for our hot tub and our little sauna we got. Guess I could lock my differentials, that might help. Probably. Yep. That bumper. The approach angle is the only complaint I have about this particular platform. And I know that I could do some things to make it more rock crawling friendly versus trail friendly, but that's really not what I was going for with this rig. Kiddo swing. Then we'll come down here too. This is our lower valley. And it's a pretty good ways down there. You can't tell, but it's probably 40 yards across to the upper side of the hill there. But I gotta say, there's usually more limbs down after winter, but doesn't really seem like there's much on the ground. That's good. No limbs on any buildings. That's the best part. Alright, we'll go back up here. And we had this retaining wall built whenever we had to build our pad for our buildings and our garage and our cover over our fifth wheel. You gotta kind of have a lot of snow protection up here. We're at about, I don't know, 9,000 feet or so. So it's pretty snowy. Oh, looks like I got wire poking out there. Let's see what. I don't think these stairs are gonna provide much of a challenge, but we'll see. I could be wrong. But this 6x6 usually. Oh, looks like I need to stay on that rock. Right there. Because my rears need to stay up. I feel like I'm about to dump it. Or if it's already on its side, I can't really tell. I know I've dug a pretty good hole here. Well, let's see if I can back out of there. Really didn't expect to get hung up on any of these stairs, but I guess these steps are with that pea gravel. There we go. So, my fault, bad driver. And I just didn't know if I could caught that on camera or not, but man, that tire on that middle right conformed really well getting up there. See, so the dirt tracks, these deep woods, I mean, you hear good things about them. I like them so far. The foam seems about right for the weight of this rig, seems appropriate. I had some of the Pro line. I think they were GE8 with the memory foam. But the weight of the truck would just smash them down to almost nothing. And it conforms with these, but not to the point where you're getting drastic deformity and having problems. Trying to keep it up on this wall, this retaining wall. I'm shooting at about chest level to neck level, so this wall is probably 5 foot, 5'5" maybe. So I'm trying to keep my truck up there. I really don't want to take a tumble off this wall. But first time out with the TRX6 is proven to be entertaining. So we'll come back down here. See how it handles a off-camber descent. Pretty good. That is one thing I will say about the TRX6 is I sure do love how well it goes down almost every single thing. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, the shadows, but made us a little New Mexican flag symbol on the ground there. Got bored one day. Sure is nice and quiet out here though. That's the best part about being up here, is the quiet. And take a left at the fire pit. We got our, whoa, look out, bush. We got our, I bought a little 30-foot container, little sea container. Lock up all the tools and expensive stuff, and then we park our tractor and log splitter and wood chipper and all the other whatnots over there. Keeps it out of the snow in the winter, kinda. And I have to turn on a whole different water system for the other trailer, so it's just gonna be us. We're perfectly happy in the guest cabin. It's perfect for us. It's perfect for a little family. That's kind of why we bought the one with the loft. That way the kiddos can sleep up top and the adults can actually have a place to sleep. Anyway, we'll have some more footage up later when we get to the waterfalls and stuff, but that'll be tomorrow sometime. Alright, guys. Well, that was the little run around the camp here in Cloudcroft. So we'll be back at you when we get to the big waterfall. Talk to you guys later. Up to TRC, heading out.